Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be unboxing the original Galaxy Buds which were released on 8th March 2019 alongside the S10 lineup of Samsung in 2019. So as you can see right now, this is the box of the Galaxy Buds and this is the black version of it. So in a Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, I'll be showing the exact setup process and you can see the setup process on the right side of the video, right or left side of the video, and now I'm unboxing it. So as soon as you open the box, you can see the wireless charging case with a tape of paper on it, and I'm getting it out right now. After that, you can see that in the small box you can find a USB-A to USB-C cable, and you can also find 4 different earpieces to put on your Galaxy Buds so that it can fit directly into whichever size of ear canal you have and whichever you feel comfortable with. And this is the wireless charging case in which the Galaxy Buds is also there. So right now I'm trying to remove the paper from it, as it is a paper sealed with tape with sticky adhesive. So right now I'm removing it. Okay, so I've now removed it and you can see that there's a Galaxy Buds and the wireless charging case, and within inside that you can see both the Galaxy Buds which are in it. You can see the markings are done clearly, the left side and the right side buds on the video as you're seeing right now. So there's the Galaxy Buds, the original Galaxy Buds which are launched. After that we have had 2 other lineups which were Galaxy Buds Plus launched alongside the Note 10 lineup, and also the the Galaxy Buds Plus which were launched with the S20 series this year, and also the Galaxy Buds Live which launched with the Note 20 lineup this year. So this is the Galaxy Buds and it is really easy to pair, and you can see the whole setup process on the right side as you can see right now. So thank you for watching this video, and subscribe and like, share and comment this video. See you in the next video tomorrow. Bye.